Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 24th, 2022. Yes, we have two puzzles already done. The 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. There are two puzzles left. Tectonic with 4 stars. And it's now binary time, and this will be number 4751. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Well, we have here 3 O's. The 4th O should be in one of these 3 boxes. So these two should be a 1 then. Okay, double O, here 1, there 1. Okay, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then, between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. And then, let me see. We have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Then, let me see. Let me see. Overlooked maybe something. Or do I need to compare this, the question? Well, let me see. Well, we have here 3 1s. The 4th one should be in one of those 3 boxes. If I place the 1 there or here, then we have 3 O's in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So those 2 boxes should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 1s in this column. If I place number 4 there, then we still have 3 O's in this column. 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Then let me see. Come on. It's taking too long. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Wow. A lot of thinking. Yeah. I think we need to compare 3 O's. Need to compare Yeah. Can I compare with this row? No. I think to compare the 1010 01. No, I cannot compare this column. Come on. 1001. Do we have a 1001? Yes. This row and that row. 11000011 empty box. 0011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. Need to compare again. Look, this row and that row. 001111 0011 empty box 00. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 1 2 3 wow 1 2 3 need to compare again. Cannot believe this. We have a double O here, no. Double 1 here, no. So we need to compare the rows. 1001. Okay. This row and the last row. 11001100 empty box 11. So we need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Double O here, 1 there 1. Double 1 here, no there no. Finish in 7 minutes. Great binary. A lot of comparing, but we have solved it again, and I like this one. So we do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.